Also new at noon, Abby Zwerner's legal team is back in court this afternoon. The former educator who was shot by a student in her classroom is suing Newport News Public Schools for $40 million. And she says administrators' negligence allowed a 6-year-old boy to fire the gun despite multiple warnings. Emily Harrison has more on what we can expect.
James Toscana, one of Abby Zwerner's attorneys, says today's hearing is centered on this civil lawsuit and when exactly it could move forward. Toscana says that they want to move forward as planned, as this currently has a jury trial scheduled for this January, but that the defense wants to slow down until the criminal trial of former Rich Neck Elementary assistant principal Ebony Parker is over.
Parker is now facing 8 counts of child abuse with disregard for life. Attorneys say Ebony Parker disregarded teachers on at least 3 separate occasions, that a 6-year-old boy brought a gun to school, and that the child later shot Abby Zwerner in her classroom with the gun. Parker resigned days after the shooting, but Zwerner's legal team filed a $40 million lawsuit against the school for administrators' alleged negligence. Attorneys with Newport News Schools filed an appeal claiming Zwerner's injuries could only be remedied through a workers' compensation claim, but a judge threw the appeal out. And that leads us to today.
Today at 2, a Newport News judge will decide whether or not to stay the discovery process because of Parker's ongoing criminal trial. Coming up on 13 News Now at 4, we'll be bringing you the latest with the judge's decision. Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.